Hi, my name is Dennis Boyle, and I'm going to be talking to you about what I'm going to be focusing on for the fieldwork intervention assignment that we are going to be doing in the next couple weeks. So when thinking ahead about the fieldwork intervention assignment, one area I want to intervene is in communication and language. One student in particular that I'm going to focus on has higher functioning autism. The student is very bright academically. However, socially he lacks skills when interacting with peers. Typically during recess and lunchtime, he tends to isolate himself and do things on his own. As we just had an IEP a few weeks ago, the team agreed on a goal that promotes more social interaction during these periods. One evidence-based practice I would want to implement and see if it works with the student is social skills training. Having myself and my aides model positive interactions for the students and have the students practice in the classroom in hope will carry over into other periods such as recess and PE. To ensure fidelity of implementation, I'm going to work with the school psychologist, the speech pathologist, and the academic coach for special education to ensure I have all the tools, additional resources, and strategies that they all use to ensure that I am modeling and teaching the skills effectively and being consistent with other stakeholders that work with the child.